The extra prompt area is an area where you can expand on your short description if needed. This is information that your bot only sees when it's working on this objective. For example, here we have a phone objective where it's trying to get their phone number. We can show the extra prompt and see that we're clarifying we're looking for a valid phone number here. Anytime you want to expand on your short description and it's relevant only to this objective, do it in the extra prompt area. We can see where this is used by coming over to our dashboard and clicking a message. Here I see the bot is attempting phone, so I can click the message, and we'll see it present in the goal and the main tab. Here we see extra instruction here, and similar in the main tab, we'll see it in extra instruction here.